This is some of the world's leading GDP, and this is their number of AWS cloud hostings. If we compare these graphs and look at this particular country, we can see that Japan has plenty of money that is not being invested in cloud infrastructure. It can be considered that cloud infrastructure in Japan is currently an untapped market with 4 to 5 times the potential compared to some of the leading countries in this department. But why is Japan, one of the economics powerhouse of the world, not running ahead in this important computing evolution? Japanese companies have been slow to embrace the cloud due to their preference for on-site computing that uses systems tailored for each business unit. The lack of skilled IT experts capable of building systems in-house is also to blame. In recent years, Japan always had a shortage of native computer science workers. Conglomerates rely heavily on talents from all over Asia instead of Japanese-born employees to keep their businesses running. Therefore, they lack the right core members to make game-changing development. In a report released by the Japan Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, Japan was suffering from IT engineers deficiency by 100,000 people in 2018. This number is estimated to increase to as much as 700,000 by 2030. As the world shifts towards cloud computing, Japan and the Asia-Pacific region have no choice but to follow the trend or risk becoming obsolete. In tech-leading Asian countries like India, Japan, and Singapore, cloud architects and engineers is set to be the highest demand portion within the computer science talent pool, with the estimation that this portion would increase by 30% every year. Factoring all current disadvantages, the ministry predicts 2025 to be a digital cliff for Japan, consisting of outdated systems, which are unfit to adapt to new technologies. The end of support for said systems. The shortage in IT personnel would skyrocket system maintenance costs, the increased risk in cybersecurity, and the rapid changes in the IT market which Japan is currently not properly equipped for. Facing these challenges, there is one change that Japanese companies can make to alleviate some of the pressure. There are many physical computer servers in Japan, which complicates the situation as Japan lacks the land mass and natural resources to comfortably sustain these servers. With the 2025 digital cliff prediction, it is important and practical for systems to be modernized and migrated to cloud services. In the past few years, there has been some methods of cloud implementation for businesses. They can create their infrastructure on cloud services using consoles or create their own infrastructure as code such as Terraform. The problem with these methods is that they require extensive knowledge on the subject which the average engineers in Japan are not familiar with. Existing appropriate architecture might be unavailable. They are difficult to review and verified, and their lead time could take days or even weeks. An alternative would be to consult an IT firm such as Accenture. While these companies are reliable and they have engineers that are qualified to handle the tasks, they come with heavy price tags even for Japanese standard. And even then, their lead time would still be 2 to 3 months due to the large inquiry from clients around the world. So, it is obvious that businesses require a scalable, cost-effective, and fast solution that must be delivered as a software as a service. Prism Scalar is a SaaS that helps back-end engineers create verified architecture on AWS, Azure, and GCP within minutes without the need for experienced cloud engineers. With Prism Scalar, companies can achieve trustful, verified cloud architectures in a quick, simple, and affordable manner. Experience the power of Prism Scalar and revolutionize your cloud infrastructure management.